Hey y'all, it's Josh. We are at a customer's job here, and we got a laundry list of stuff to do, a bunch of welding, turning wrenches. They was wanting us to look at a trailer here. Their dovetail they was chaining across here to their equipment, and their dovetail's cracked right here, and when they was doing it, it was folding the whole dovetail up. So we've done quite a few repairs like this, and I don't know if I posted any videos. What I do is I cut the light bracket all the way off, pull the lights out, all the harnesses. We'll gouge this, weld it up, and then we actually put a plate over it, reinforcement plate over it. So we'll make a video on that when we do it. But check this out. Somebody might be watching this video repaired the neck on this trailer. You can see this I-beam here. It's kind of where the C channel. You can see the C channel laid over. Check this out. I got to look and I was like, man, that ain't too bad, whoever done this work. Check this out, boys. Somebody is out thinking it. That must be that new rubber weld. Hopefully whoever did this ain't watching this video. Might get a comment from them. Somebody is good with the caulking gun. So I got most of the gasket, or the gasket maker, dug out, but this other side's easier to tell. Check this out. Which one of y'all done that? I'm sure y'all are watching this video. Even got underneath, got the gasket maker over the welds. That's pretty slick. Now be on the lookout for the caulking gun bandit. If we find out who it is, you find out who it is, let me know. Might give you a free hat and t-shirt. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Anyways, y'all have a good day.